Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a super cool tutorial lined up for you. We're going to learn how to create an awesome growing text animation that you can use as a stylish intro at the start of your videos. Trust me, this one is going to make your content stand out. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First things first, open up CapCut and create a brand new text layer. Now, here's a little trick. You're going to cut it into 3 parts. This will give us that smooth, professional vibe for our animation. Next, rename each of those 3 text layers. Make it something cool, maybe the name of your channel or a catchy phrase. After that, it's time to choose a font that really fits your style. CapCut has plenty of options, so go ahead and experiment. Edit the text to your liking, make sure it looks sharp and stands out. Once your text is looking on point, head over to the animation section and click on the animation. From here, scroll down and apply the grow effect to your text layer. This is where the magic happens. Adjust the speed of the grow effect, whether you want it to pop in quickly or slowly glide in. Customize it until it fits your style. Now, we don't want to spend forever adding the same animation to each layer, right? Here's a time-saving hack. Right-click on the layer you've just animated and select Copy Attributes. Then, go to your other layers, right-click again, and hit Past Attributes. You can even choose which effects to apply, so if there's anything you don't want, just uncheck it. And just like that, all your layers have the same smooth grow animation. And there you have it, your growing text animation is complete and ready to make your videos look even better. This is such a simple way to create intros that will hook your viewers from the start. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and follow me on social media for more tips, tricks and tutorials. If you have any questions or need help, drop a comment below or reach out to me. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.